Here we are with everybody's favorite pedestal fan. This is the Galaxy, whatever the model number is, I don't know. Just picked this up fresh from the trash. Now let's see if it works. It's a little wonky. The stand is just kind of strange. Something's not quite right about the stand. But I mean, it's definitely got some hours on it, but I don't think that it's filthy enough that it would be spoiled. What is going on outside? That's a little suspicious. Oh, there they go. I don't really recognize that truck, so it probably was an outsider. Alright, let's plug this thing in. And let's see if it works. It doesn't work. The blade seems awfully stiff. I don't have my tripod out here. Oh, no, the blade is not stiff. There is just nothing. Actually, the bearings are in really good shape. Huh. Well, that's weird. I wonder if the probably is maybe a bad thermal fuse or something. I guess we can take a look at it now. Oh, oil in the shaft. Oh, we don't have any batteries for that out here, so I guess we're going to do it manually. Actually, machine screws. I'll just check and see if it's something stupidly simple, like a broken wire or something off of a switch. Windings don't look cooked. Doesn't look like anything obvious to me. Let me go grab my electricity tester and let's see if it's at least got power through the cord. It probably does. I've never really seen a case where those fuses go bad, but there's a first for everything. I got like 2 pockets here. Alright, that one actually works. Yeah, that garage really holds heat nicely. That's very surprising with the way the door is. And this door is locked. Ooh, it's kind of cold in here. Well, that's odd. It's not making any heat. Well, it's going to be, I guess, something complicated. Probably a thermal fuse. Any oscillating fan is really not immune to a user-induced failure, in the sense that if it tips over, or if it was too close to the wall and the oscillation could not complete its turn, it would just sit at a very low speed, inadequate for cooling the motor. So it's very possible that this did not fail of natural causes, and rather it failed due to a fault. So we'll open it up and take a look. It's a Glory motor. It's probably just a thermal fuse. Yeah. So we'll do that in another video.